Do you find yourself setting your tools on top of the lathe because that's more convenient than the holder on the side of the lathe that you may not be able to fit some of these tools into, or that it's just not in a good spot for you? What we created is a set of magnetic lathe tool holders. You can put them on the front of the lathe, you can put them on the back side of the lathe, either one works. Keeps the tools close by, handy, easy to swap back and forth, holds them securely, put them where you want, size them where you need, and then you are able to keep those tools very close at hand as you're setting things down. The second tool we've got in place today is our chuck key holder. If you drill on the lathe, this would work great on the lathe. If you drill on the drill press, this can stick to the drill press as well. But it holds your chuck key, keeps it close by, nice and easy to grab, nice and easy to put back, and keeps it without getting lost. Our third holder that we've got is for your lathe chuck. In this case, I've got a Nova chuck key. You can see it holds that, keeps it easily available. You can put it on the front of the lathe, on the leg, on the side, wherever is most convenient for you. Your holder should fit most chuck keys that come with the different chucks. This one in this example is a Nova. In addition to the chuck key, we've also got a little hole in the back. If your chuck has a set pin for locking it on the lathe so that you can use reverse, you can keep that Allen wrench handy close by to be able to lock and unlock that as well.